Hello world, traders. I am going to show you how I made about 500 bucks. 500 bucks today. And then I decided to turn off the lights, close the shop, and went on with my business. As you can see behind me, I was going through multiple companies to see which one was showing me an opportunity to probably trade, but unfortunately the market was not doing so hot today or this morning. Luckily, I was able to bump into two companies that were had some good news, not the best news to make them go to the moon, but enough news that would make them go up a little bit. Usually, I have a price or I have in mind how much money I want to make. And usually at that point, once I've reached that number, I literally turn off the computer and walk away. If I keep trying to see if I can make more, I end up losing what I made already, and most likely I will close the day red, and I don't like that. So I believe that you should do the same. Go in the market saying, I want to make XYZ. Now, you got to be realistic. If you can only buy 50 shares or 100 shares, don't think that you're going to make $5,000 in one day. It's doable, but come on, not in this market. Okay, so you got to be in it to win it. And the way I trade is I like to jump in with usually 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 5,000 shares, and I like to grab 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, and I stop and I get out, which means I like to make 1,000, 2,000, if possible, if it's available or feasible at the moment. I like to make a little bit more, but I don't like to stay in the market for a long time with a lot of shares. That I don't do. So obviously, as you can see, one of the companies in the back was AMC. AMC dropped from 15.20, let's say 16.20, all the way down to 14.60. So basically, it dropped $2, right? Um, and then when I thought it had reached the bottom, I waited to see what was going on. I jumped in with 2,000 shares, but as soon as I jumped in, the price kind of started heading down, and I got out. Now, why did you get out? Why didn't you stay? Blah 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 blah. To me, I don't trust the market, and this might come with experience. I don't know, but I was just I knew it was moving forward, but the minute I jumped in, well, basically the price was going up, but the minute I jumped in, it went up a little bit and it started pulling down. When I see that now, I just boop, I cancel and I get out. I was able to make 249 bucks. Was I able to make more? Let's see. 230, 270, 300, 390, and then it started coming down. So I didn't really have a chance to make a lot of money here. And if you pay attention to this, the price actually dropped from this point. Let me try to fast forward this video. I try to buy more. My broker said, nope, you can have more. No can has. And I was trying to get those pop-ups to show you guys basically what, at what price I went in and at what price I sold. But anyway, so look, so you can see I got out at 1501, let's say 1502. And as soon as I got out, the price dropped. Right? Why? Because I don't trust the market. That's what it's been doing. As soon as I get in, boom, immediately it goes the other way. So now I try to grab 10 cents, 15 cents. Can I get 20 cents? Can I get 20 cents? Right? And that's how I feel. So my target for today was If I can make $500 profit, I'm done. Well, here I had 249, let's say 250. Now I had to jump into the next company that was going to provide me uh, another 250 bucks or something like that, right? This company actually had good news, but the way it was going up and down, just wasn't, you know, it just didn't click. Not for me. This company had good news as well. As you can see, this was a yearly or daily view, and I don't know, back in probably in, I can't tell from here, but back in, I'm going to say March, the price went up to 1661 and then it came down to 5, like right now. So this company, either they promised something that they couldn't deliver, or I don't know. But obviously, it came down, what, 70%? More than 70%? That's more like 90%. Anyway, the company was moving. I mean, this ticker was moving. It had good volume, and I decided to, whoop, let me jump in with 5,000 shares so I can try to grab at least 20 cents, 30 cents. There I selected 30 cents, and I tried and I couldn't. So here we go. I got in at $5.47. Price started going up, 500, 300, 400, 700, 800. And then the price decided, no, Jeff just got in. Let's bring the price down. And I said, okay, I'm out. And I was able to make 200 bucks, 201. So 250 plus 201, that's 450. And I was like, okay, I'm very close to my, the number that I had in mind. So I decided to go back into AMC. Let me see if I can find that for you. AMC, and here, right about here, I think it was. Now you can see the pop-ups. That's from early before. And I decided, okay, let me try this company. Oh no, actually it wasn't AMC. It looks like it was this company. I forgot. Let's see. Was it this company? I thought it was AMC. Yeah, it was AMC. So as you can see, AMC decided that, okay, price is going to go back up. And at this point, I decided, okay, let me jump in again with 200 shares. Right away, I started losing money, but, slowly the price started to come back up. And pretty much, I don't know, I'm going to say literally a minute later, I decided that I had had enough. I put my sell order. You can't see it from here, unfortunately, but there it is. Sell it. Sell it. And boom, I got out. So I didn't have 250 anymore. I had 319 plus the 200. Look, there, I'm doing the math. 319 plus 201. Ooh. And that's it, kids. You got to respect your targets. You got to respect your basically what you wanted from the beginning. You got to be realistic. The market is very dry right now. So if you can get your hands on 500 bucks, like in my case, hey, I think I'm being blessed. Okay. So that's it. I literally closed the application, turned on my computer, and went on with my business. 520 bucks is not, but 500 bucks. I mean, if you make 500 bucks on the stock market every day, if I'm not mistaken, that's over 600 figures. I mean, six figure salary a year. That's not too bad, right? How much work did I put in? 40 minutes. 40 minutes and I made $500. Can't complain, man. So, but let's forget about the money. Let's talk about what I did and how I did it. You have to wait. You have to wait. I mean, I went with companies that had good news, right? And when I noticed that the price, usually the price starts in the morning like this and then it comes down. And this is where I jump in. I try to catch stuff in the bottom and hopefully the price will start going up. And I try to grab 20 cents, 30 cents, 50 cents with 2,000 shares, 4,000, 5,000 shares. I mean, if you use 5,000 shares and you are able to grab 20 cents, that's $1,000 right there. Oh, but I don't have access to 5,000 shares. Okay, if you use 2,000 shares, like with this company, it's only $5, right? If you buy 2,000 shares, that's what, $10,000? A little over 10,000. If you don't have $10,000 in your bank account, I mean, with your brokerage account, then don't assume that you're going to make 1,000, 2,000 a day. I mean, we all have to start from the bottom and start growing our accounts. Once you have access to more, then you'll be able to make a lot more money faster. But if you're just starting, you gotta start with one share, actually, one share, and prove to you, not to the world, but to you, that you can make money with one share. If you can make money with one share, then you'll be able to make money with 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 shares. Okay, but it takes discipline and it takes dedication. You gotta be in this game. You gotta pay attention to the volume. You gotta pay attention to your indicators. You gotta pay attention to the way the volume is going. Do you see more red or do you see a lot of green? Do you see two green bars or do you see three big solid red bars? Then what do you think is going to happen? The price is just going to come down. Boom, you have to get out. Or look at the level 2, right? If the price is, let's say right now is $5.13, right? Right. If you look at the level 2, and the level 2 is saying something like $4.75, and then you see more, $4.80, $4.90. Well, guess what's going to happen to the price? Somebody's trying to pull down the price. So you got to pay attention to all this stuff. And at the beginning, it could be stressful, and for me, it's still stressful because sometimes you go in assuming that the price is going to go up, and it doesn't. But then that's when you have to do it like the cowboys in the movies. Get out while you can. Don't just wait and see what happens, because the market will take your money, and then you're going to get scared, and then you're going to panic sell. So, what did I say? I don't know. What did I learn? I didn't learn a lot today, but I am showing, or I'm sharing, I think, a little bit of knowledge with you guys. Don't go in the market with a lot of shares right now. There's not a lot of liquidity. There's not a lot of money going into the market right now. Try to go with companies that have good news before the market opens and that have good volume. Okay? Those are the companies that are going to move a little bit. Other than that, everything is just kind of trading sideways or down. And if you don't like to short, you're going to lose. So there, that's all I got for you guys. If you like the video, happy for you. If you don't like the video, still happy for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video. All right? Talk to you later. Bye-bye.